going to the park. Come with me, friends. Car is started. Let's go to the park. I am so excited. I will tell the steps. First one is slide is too colorful. Only one is there. Second slide, there are two slides. First I do small one, then I do big one. Third one, we are going to the round. Then fourth one, we are go to exercise. The park, let's come and play. Wow, this is a big slide. It is colorful. Let's come up. Yay, it is so fun. Let's go at the slide.
One more.
This is a two slide. There is the one more slide. There is a whip walking. Let's go to the whip. I will try this. First, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's watch. We should walk again around. Like this game so much. Now I am coming down. Then that's all. Let's walk around. Oh, there is something else here. Guys, I want to show something. Come here. There is all mango. There are so many mangoes. I like it. It's so tasty mango. Wow, there is an exercise area. Let's go to the exercise area. Three, two, one, set. Papa is doing that exercise. Okay, next I will do this exercise. Super chance, I am so strong. It is look like dishu. Like this. He is doing like this. Stop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next exercise. Next exercise is this one exercise. But I can't do exercise. I don't know. Look, it just looks like walking. can do this one. So spinning thingy. Boy, look my cat. There I can do like that. Okay, but this is so big. I can't do it. This I get scared. This one is so bigger. I can't do it. This one is too big. This one, yes, this is not. This is one. Oh, it is good. Guys, how do you find the park? Just comment. I am done with the park. Now we are going home. Thank you for watching. I am in car and we are going to home. See you next time. Bye bye. I love you.